Hey guys, I want to come on and show you guys my fidget cubes. I have this one, 6-sided fidget cube, and then 12-sided fidget cube. Here's this one. Has this little dial thing. You spin the joystick, the light switch, these little gears, has these buttons, and where is it? Oh, there. And this little massage thing on here. And this one has these little balls, silicone balls, I think that's what they are. It has little faces on them. And the massage thing, and this thing, it turns and you can push it. This. And these things, I really like these things. Really smooth. Another button. This you can put on your finger. Look like that. Also has these buttons. The light switch. I don't really care for. Has these gears. The joystick. That's about it. I really like this one a lot. And oh, I also forgot the warrior rock, not rock, stone thing. I don't know what you want to call it. Don't care much for that. But I really do like it because it's quieter than this one. Because if you had it in your pocket, you can just go like this with these ones. And it's super quiet. Or mess around with these things. It's really quiet. And this. That's a little loud, but not too bad. But this one, this is louder. I mean, I guess you can do that. And use the massage thing. That part's quiet. That's about it though. But I do like this though. But my favorite, I have to say, is the 12-sided fidget cube. Hope you like this video. Post more soon. Thanks, bye.